Don't download Clarity Capital app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Clarity Capital app, hold on for a second. Most people assume it's a simple investing app, but the surprising truth is that it's really tailored for high net worth individuals and sophisticated investors, not beginners. Clarity Capital focuses on portfolio management, wealth advisory, and alternative investment opportunities. It offers features like diversified portfolios, real-time reporting, and personalized financial planning. That sounds great, but here's the catch. The app requires a significant initial investment to get started, and casual investors may find the entry barriers too high. Another point most people miss is the complexity of its interface. While it's packed with data and insights, understanding metrics like risk-adjusted returns, portfolio optimization, and alternative asset allocation isn't straightforward. If you're new to investing, you may feel overwhelmed and underutilized the app. On the other hand, for seasoned investors, Clarity Capital provides robust tools to track performance, manage multiple accounts, and access exclusive investment products. It's perfect for those who want professional-level insights on the go without relying solely on financial advisors. Fees are another aspect to consider. While transparent, Clarity Capital charges management fees that can impact returns, especially for smaller portfolios. Most casual investors underestimate how these fees add up over time, so it's crucial to evaluate whether the benefits outweigh the costs. In conclusion, don't download Clarity Capital expecting a beginner-friendly investing experience. It's ideal for investors looking for advanced portfolio management and access to alternative investment strategies. If that's not you, consider simpler apps designed for everyday investors first. Knowing your investment goals before committing will save you time, money, and unnecessary frustration.